Do y'all see the definition on this hair? Welcome back to another Creations by Lisi video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your push notifications so that you are aware of when I post another video. So y'all, in this video, if you haven't seen from the title, the thumbnail, all the things, I have a surprise for you. And no, we are not flat twisting in this video. The surprise is coming up. I start off by flat twisting the back, and then from there I'm going to take the two ends and twist them together to make it more manageable. And now we're on to the front. For the front, I part ear to ear. Now I'm about to show you guys why my hair is parted this way. It's the HerGivenHair. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video and giving me this product. Not only did it come with all the things, it came with a booklet on how to take care of your hair. I don't know what hair company is doing that, okay? It came with a strap, an adjustable strap, okay? A 2x2 lace closure. But this is not even just a 2x2 lace closure wig, y'all. This is an all-in-one wig. Let's get into it. There are two combs in the front, there is a comb in the back, and there is a drawstring so it can fully be secured. So I am cutting off the little lace piece because we don't need that. And we're gonna pop this wig on. I'm so excited to show you guys these hairstyles. Now, I didn't use a wig cap for any of these styles, but you are more than welcome to use a wig cap before installing the hair. The two combs in the front that I just put kind of gently on my hair because I'm not a comb girly. That's why I mentioned the drawstring in the back that you can pull on, okay? Because that's my security. The hair combs are not my security, but the drawstring, this right here, guys, is the security. It will have your wig on till the sun comes up, till the sun comes down, okay? From day to night. And you just pull it as tightly as possible, and then there's a little prong that you push up, you're good to go. You can yank on it, you can pull on it, and it's not going anywhere. I promise, it's not going anywhere. So first, now that we have the hair on, let's get into this first style. Let's get into the first style. So nothing crazy for the first style. We're gonna take it slowly because I wanna show you guys how versatile this all-in-one wig is. This all-in-one wig is 18 inches and it is in the kinky coily 3C to 4A texture. I will definitely leave the link in the description down below, along with my own dedicated discount. But as you can see right here, my hair is easily, okay, blending in with this hair. And I have not done a wash and go on my hair in so long. If you're new here, I have not done a wash and go in years just because of how damaged my hair was. Come on now, curls bouncing, we love to see it. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, let's get back to what's important here. So now that I'm done with the curling and using my mousse, I am going to pin this hair down, lay it down so that it is undetectable. I sit under the dryer for about an hour on 60 degrees Celsius with the clips into my hair for about an hour. After drying and removing the clips, because that's important, next I use my edge control, my favorite edge control. Touch up my edges a little bit. So now it's giving a no parts $300 sew-in at home. Do y'all see how undetectable my hair is with this hair? You can't tell me this hair is not growing out of my scalp. Y'all better not walk. Y'all better go run to grab this unit. Next style, okay? I want to see how unique and how seamless this all-in-one exclusive wig from HerGivenHair could be with my textured hair. So right now I'm putting my hair in a ponytail. So it's still blendable. I did not retouch anything, y'all. I literally just took the hair from my no part hairstyle that I just did. I'm just going to put a little tie around it 3 times and then fluff it out. And yeah, guys, you can keep it very simple, cute like this. I liked it. It was very cute. Or you can, I'm gonna add a little cute scrunchie that matches with my gray top, you know, nothing crazy, just to make it so cute. It's giving 80s. It's giving 80s, but I feel like the style is definitely coming back and you can rock it. You could definitely rock it. Also, I just wanted to say, y'all, this hair was so easy and manageable, and it was so soft. Oh my gosh, it was so soft. Yep, y'all need to go buy this unit. Undetectable. Undetectable. All right, next style. Next style. So right now, I am just flat twisting my hair. I'm essentially just flat twisting some portion of my front. And as you can see, I had it clipped away earlier. So I'm just flat twisting, nothing crazy. And then from there, I'm just gonna pin my hair away. The flat twist portion, I'm just gonna pin it back. And so it's gonna be like a little flat twist, or you could do a braid, or you can do like, I've seen people do like a series of braids in the front, but because how thick my hair is, y'all, I was like, let me just keep it simple because I don't have all day, okay? And I take a bobby pin and I just secure the back like I said before, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So yeah, these styles really didn't take me that long. Like even the ones that were a challenge, they did not take me that long. It was like 5 minutes tops, honestly. And it's so easy to just allow this hair to blend so seamlessly in with my hair. Now I will say that my hair is not truly black, and the hair doesn't come truly black. Like on the screen, it might look like it's black hair. Hair companies typically send units in the color 1B or the color 2, so just be aware of that when you are purchasing from HerGivenHair. So very cute, right? Very posh. So now I'm gonna go in with this style. Now this style took me a minute. I feel like it took me like 6 minutes, 7 minutes tops because I am not true to this style. I am new to it, but hey, I said before earlier in my video that I wanted to do different styles. I wanted to play around to really see how versatile this all-in-one coily wig could perform. So right now I'm parting my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to start twisting my hair after I gel it down. And then I'm gonna do some bantu knots in the front. But peep this, once I'm done doing my bantu knots, I decided to take some pieces of hair from the wig and I am just going to wrap that around just to make it more elevated and more like profound and more natural. So from there, I'm gonna take some gel and just define the curls a little bit. And as you can see, this hair is so manageable. It's so easy to style. It's so easy to add products. Like, you don't have to add any crazy products. You can buy products from the drugstore and it works on this hair. It is truly amazing. And yeah, guys, this is the end result of this style. So I think we're on, like, let me say style number 4, right? Yeah, style number 4. And look how cute and posh that is. It's definitely different, but I honestly love it. I would have kept my hair like this for days if I wanted to. So now on to the next style. So as you can see, I went ahead and twisted my front because y'all know I'm on the journey of healthy longevity hair, okay? I'm on the journey of healthy hair. So I went ahead and twisted my front, and I'm just adding some rubber bands. So essentially I'm doing like the cross method or crisscross method. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I'll add a picture here to show you guys what I'm implementing, but I really didn't want to take my twist out, so I just did the crisscross method with my twist. You could be as diversified as possible with this hairstyle and it'll still work. Like, you can have your hair put away, and I'm going to show you guys that this hairstyle with the hair, the all-in-one wig, will still look seamless. So then I'm going to continuously do this across the front portion of my hair, and I'll use 2 rows of twists to achieve the crisscross method. I add some bobby pins to the back to secure my back hair, my twist in the back, and then I'm gonna plop this wig back on because yeah, you guys are gonna see. I feel like this style is very easy and it's ready to go. Like, you really don't have to do too much. You guys are gonna see that it's seamless. It looks like the hair is coming straight out of my scalp. If you still are like kind of on edge, you're like, I don't know, I'm a little too uncomfortable, bam, you can add a scarf, you can add a headband, and nobody will know. But wait, let's take it to the next level. I ended up adding braids to my hair, and I was thinking to myself, what could I do with this? Oh, I could take them braids out and have a braid out. Hello. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you use my code HONOR so you can receive a percentage off of this unit. I will leave everything in the description box below, and thank you again, HerGivenHair.